In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to sign in YouTube in Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So firstly, open the YouTube app on your Smart TV. If the sign in button isn't visible right away, go to the left hand menu and select sign in from there. You will now see two options. First is scan or type a code, or second option is use your remote. If we select the second option, which is use your remote, then we need to enter our Gmail and password using our remote. Then we can sign in on YouTube. But if you don't want to sign in using your remote, then you can go with the first option, which is scan or type a code. After selecting first option, a QR code will appear on the screen. Now take your phone and open your phone's camera app and scan the QR code. If you are unable to scan the code, then visit yt.b/activate in your web browser. Enter the code displayed on your TV into the website. You will then be shown a list of your Google accounts. Select the Google account which you want to sign in on your YouTube TV. Then allow the necessary permissions, and that's it. You are now signed in to the YouTube account on your Smart TV. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.